Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ninja BL610 blender. This Ninja BL610 is a well-designed, reasonably priced machine that is powerful enough for heavy-duty blending. This model feels very sturdy and has a high capacity. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish-making inspiration. Our second best blender under $100 is Ninja BL660 Professional Countertop Blender. This is a powerful, high-capacity model that also works well for single servings. The BL660 can blend for a party or just for you. Professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100-watt motor to make it easy to crush ice and pulverize tough ingredients. It has 5 simple buttons and a powerful 1100-watt motor, plus a specific single-serve blade assembly. A powerful motor combined with the Pro Extractor Blades assembly breaks down whole fruits and veggies for refreshing, full-bodied nutrient juices. 6-blade assembly allows you to turn ice to snow in seconds. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. Third choice in our list is Ninja BL480D Blender. Ninja's BL480 Nutri Ninja Blender is well suited to single-serving blending and offers quite a few features. 2 preset programs allow you to make your favorite drinks at the touch of a button. Crush through ice, seeds, skins, and stems for a smooth, even consistency. Powerful motor easily blasts through ice and pulverizes tough ingredients. Liquefy ingredients into the smoothest nutrient juices, smoothies, and purees. This light 5.5-pound machine has a powerful 1000-watt motor and includes 24 and 18-ounce travel cups with resealable lids. The interface is somewhat clunky and difficult to use, but the machine offers a range of preset and manual options, including a timer that can count up or down, depending on your needs. Number 4 in our side is Mueller Austria Blender. If you like to whip up a lot of liquidy dishes like soups, sauces, or dips, the Mueller Ultra Stick can be used to make delicious treats such as salsa, pesto, pancake and water, batter, smoothies, cheese sauce, homemade tomato sauce, hollandaise sauce, whipped cream, apple butter, various Indian dishes, soups and cakes. Can also be used for chopping and making cocktails and much more. This Ultra Stick can quickly whisk a large batch of eggs or Dutch baby pancake batter. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. Last in our top 5 best blender under 100 list is Hamilton Beach 58148A Blender. If you're looking for a model that's easier on your wallet, the Hamilton Beach 58148A Power Elite Blender could be your pick. This lightweight model is less powerful and a little more difficult to operate but offers plenty of functionality at an impressive price. Multi-function blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Power Blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more. This lightweight model is less powerful and a little more difficult to operate but offers plenty of functionality at an impressive price. Blades remove for easy cleaning. Jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.